Let me ask you something. Have you ever told yourself, I am confident, only to have a voice in your head laugh back at you? It feels fake, doesn't it? It can honestly make you feel even worse. The secret is, real self-esteem isn't a feeling you wait for. It's something you actively build. Today, we're going to walk through 3 simple steps to build a stronger, healthier self-esteem. Step 1. The permission slip. First, let's talk about the fear of being judged. It can feel like a giant spotlight is on you. But here is the secret. Most people aren't actually thinking about you. Realizing this is like being handed a permission slip to be imperfect. This gives you permission to be situationally and socially imperfect. So use that freedom to start building real confidence, one action at a time. Can you walk outside and ask a stranger for directions? Or maybe it's finally making that one call you've been dreading. Give yourself permission to sound imperfect on the phone. What about signing up for that cooking class that you've always wanted without waiting for a friend? With each small win, you're building real evidence to fuel your self-esteem. Step 2. Redefine the win. So you took that scary first step. The secret now is to redefine what a win actually looks like. Your brain thinks the goal is a perfect result with no awkwardness and no mistakes. But your real mission is much simpler. All you have to do is handle the feeling of discomfort and survive it. Because when you prove to yourself that you can survive the feeling, you take away its power over you. This is how you begin to silence your inner critic before it even has a chance to speak. Step 3. Disarm your inner judge. So you handled the discomfort, but where does that fear even come from? It comes from the inner judge that governs your life according to a set of impossible rules. I'm talking about that little voice that whispers, I should be perfect. Or the one that screams, you should never make mistakes. These shoulds are not your rules. They are heavy burdens you've been forced to carry. So, consciously decide to let them go. Place them on a boat and let them drift away. Don't fight it. Just step back and observe. Say to yourself, I am noticing the thought. You are not your thoughts. You are the one aware of them. This space is where you find your power. From here, you can finally offer yourself kindness instead of judgment. Let's recap the path to building real self-esteem. It's a journey in 3 parts. Step 1. The permission slip. You learn to break the paralysis by getting permission to take a small, imperfect action. Step 2. Redefine the win. The real win isn't a perfect outcome, but simply surviving the discomfort and proving your fear was wrong. And step 3. Disarm your inner judge. You learned to disarm your inner judge by seeing its thoughts for what they are. Just thoughts, not facts. What is one small, uncomfortable action you will take this week to begin step 1? Share it in the comments below. Please remember to like and subscribe if you found this video useful.